Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Logan and I finally got some Pokemon Go in, and we're going to do a little unboxing here. I know here at the shop, everybody's been pulling these, Radiant Charizards.
ETBs.
The alternate one, right?
Yeah.
So we want to get in on action. So we've got two boxes here. We've got the Radiant Eevee Premium Collection box that has that cool Eevee playmat in it. And Logan's got the
Pokemon Go ETB.
Cool. So we are ready to open these up and see what we got. So let's go ahead and get after it. All right, let's go ahead and open up this premium collection here. So
I am really ready.
Oh, I know. Let's go ahead and get that playmat out, see what it looks like. So it looks like this one has the Eevee pin. Looks like it's got a promo card and the playmat. And I want to say, is there 8 packs, I believe?
Yep.
So cool.
8 packs.
So the first round.
I'm struggling with this.
Oh yeah, they made sure you work to get this out. All right, cool. All right.
Playmat.
Here's the playmat. Nice.
Yep.
Look at that. Let's see what this thing. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Nice.
Here's the Eevee.
Yep.
Here's the pin.
Nice little pin.
Yep. 8 packs.
All right, let's go ahead and get after it here. I got my fingers crossed. Let's see what those packs look like, Logan. All right, cool. All right, you ready? Let's go.
Can we get a first
let's
pack
go.
magic? I'm going with fire energy.
Okay.
Dark. Spark. Ariados. Blanky. Bulbasaur. Squirtle. Bidoof. Onyx. Bibarrel. Ooh, Radiant Blastoise.
Nice, look at that. Oh, that's cool.
A Holo Venusaur. Wow.
Okay.
That's crazy.
That's cool.
First pack
Got
magic.
a first hit. Look at that. Radiant Bulbasaur. That's cool. Yeah. I think a lot of the guys have been having pretty good luck with these collection box sets here. So
Yeah, it's guaranteed at least a holo. I'm going with grass.
Okay.
Metal. Ariados. Charmeleon. Ooh, that's a good sign. Pupitar. Tranquil. Larvitar. Natu. Impidimbomb. Slowpoke. First Squirtle. And the holo Sylveon.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, how many's in this set? Let's see what that number says on one of those.
There is 78.
78 in this set. So okay.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
Can we get all of them today?
That would be nice to get the whole collection. All right, let's see what else.
2, 3, 4 to the front. I'm going with grass.
Okay.
Water. Steelix. Wartortle. Slowbro. Meltan. Magikarp. Apom. Charmander. Eevee. Reverse Spinarak. And Alolan Executor V.
Gotta be.
Yep.
Oh, we need an alternate card there.
We need a Ditto.
We got that Radiant Bulbasaur there.
Yeah. 3, 4 to the front. I'm going with a V-Star card.
Yeah.
Okay. Egg Incubator. Chansey. Solrock. Charmander. Apom. Bulbasaur. Numel. Alolan Raticate. Her first Colospon. Holo Lapras.
Okay.
Well. We need something.
These are cool though.
Yeah. Pokestop. Unpheasant. Rare
got
candy.
the rare candy in it. Okay.
Ooh, a Eevee. Charmander. Apom. Bulbasaur. Numel. Reverse rare
Reverse
candy.
rare candy. All right.
A hollow Pikachu.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
Wow.
All right. I like that little symbol there too on the, what is that, the bottom? Well,
The bottom
right
right,
there.
of the picture, like
got
of
the
the
Pokemon Go.
picture.
now I know there was a card in here where,
2, 3,
is it
4 to the front.
where you peel the card off?
Yeah, if you get a reverse Ditto.
First
rare
Ditto,
candy,
okay.
Camerupt, Egg Incubator, Slowpoke, Bidoof, Magikarp, Apom, Moltan, reverse Camerupt.
Oh,
Ooh, a Sylveon
another
Hollow.
Sylveon. Okay.
Wow.
All right.
Okay, another one.
How many we got there? 2 more out of this one?
Yep. One, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I'm going with grass.
Okay.
Electric. War Turtle. Unvisant. War Model. Squirtle. Tranquil. Charmander. Eevee. Natu. Reverse rare candy. A hollow Snorlax. Last pack magic, please.
I think we got our head off that first one.
Yeah, I think that was, yeah.
That could have been it. But you never know.
Yeah, Pokemon packs can be crazy.
I think we
Forward
this
to
is
the
gonna
front.
be it. I can feel it.
Fighting Energy, Chansey, Ivysaur, Unpheasant, Squirtle, Meltan, Bidoof, Pidove, Magikarp, Reverse Bidove, and a hollow Gyarados.
Oh, Gyarados. That's nice. Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, let's open the ETB.
All right, on to the ETB here. All right. I think there's what, 10 booster packs, some special condition markers. I'm pretty sure there's some damage counters,
Player's Guide.
sleeves.
Yep.
We got to see the sleeves. I want to see what they look like.
Yeah.
And some energy. Oh, cool.
Wow.
I like that.
10 packs.
Ooh.
A
And-
Mewtwo.
And is that a promo?
Yep.
Nice. There you
Black
go.
Star promo. Energy.
Okay. All right, there's the binders. Cool. All right.
V-Star marker. Special condition markers.
Mm-hmm.
Dice.
And there's the damage counters. Cool.
Yep.
All right.
On to the packs.
Yeah.
First pack magic, just like last time. Instead of the Blastoise, it should be a Charizard.
Right.
I'm going with electric. Ivysaur, Pokestop, Ariados, Larvitar, Numel, Bulbasaur, Onix, Vibarel, Reverse Bidoof, a Ditto. It's a Ditto.
Oh.
And a hollow.
I don't know if you should peel it. I don't know. Just put it off to the side. If we get a
Yeah.
duplicate, we might go ahead and peel it just to see.
It's
Go ahead and put it off to the
Ditto.
side there, Logan. Just on the playmat there. Yeah. Okay. So if we get another one, we'll definitely go ahead and peel one. So show you what it looks like. That's cool. All right.
I've been wanting to peel one.
Yeah, we got to
so
get a
bad.
duplicate though.
2, 3, 4 to the front. I'm going with grass. Slowbro, Candela, Lunatune, Wimpod, Pikachu, Squirtle, Meltan, Bidoof, Reverse Apom, and Hollow Articuno.
Articuno.
Yep. Can we get another Ditto? Really want to peel one.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4 to the front. Going with electric. Fighting Chansey, Spark, Ariados, Larvitar, Spinarak, Alolan Rattata, Pikachu, Wimpod, Reverse Unpheasant, and Hollow Lapras.
Come on, Logan.
Our luck is bad today.
Maybe it's just waiting.
Four to the front. Fighter. Charmeleon. Ooh. Warm model. Ariados. Onyx. Bibarrel. Slowpoke. Bidoof. Apom. First Squirtle. And Hollow Venusaur. We need a V. Gosh
It'd be
dang.
nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Pack. Two, three, four to the front. Going with grass. Psychic. Rare candy. Unpheasant. Blanky. Squirtle. Charmander. Miltank. Bidoof. Apom. Reverse. Alolan Raticate.
Ooh,
And a Venusaur Hollow.
okay. All right, we gotta get it.
Yeah. It's Mewtwo themed, so we should get a Mewtwo out of this.
Should, right? We did get to promo, so
Yeah.
that'll work.
Candela, Ivysaur, Spark, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, Ampomp, Slowpoke, Reverse Bibarrel, and
Oh,
Dragonite V.
Okay.
ooh,
I think someone here at the shop pulled a rainbow Dragonite.
really?
Yeah.
Wow. Lucky. Three, four to the front. I'm going with fighting. Oh,
Uh-oh, this could be it.
Pupitar fighting. Pokestop, Camerupt, Pikachu, Squirtle, Bibarrel, Alolan Rattata, Numel, Reverse Meltan, and Hollow. Come on, another Ditto. I want to
Okay.
peel one off.
You got 3 more packs here?
Yep.
Okay.
2, 3, 4 to the front. Oh,
Oh. Okay. Oh, you didn't see that one?
nothing. Lure model, Pupitar, Chansey, Alolan Rattata, Bidoof, Charmander, Apom, Bulbasaur. Oh, another Radiant Blastoise.
Okay. Blastoise. Oh, okay. I thought we got a Bulbasaur last time.
That was
Okay.
a Blastoise.
Whoops. We got the Blastoise. Okay.
Yeah.
I was thinking Bulbasaur.
Two, three, four to the front. Fighting Chansey, Spark, Ariados, Pidove, Magikarp, Onyx, Eevee, Numel, Reverse Wordle, and Pikachu Hollow.
Okay.
Yep. Last pack.
one.
Can we
It
get
looks like this is kind of, I mean, the collection there, we got what, the Radiant Blastoise and then a V.
the pull rates are usually good, but in this Egg Incubator, Wartortle, Unpheasant, Ampomp, Slowpoke, Bibarrel, Pikachu, Spinarak, Reverse Ampomp, and a Lapras Hollow.
Oh, man. Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and peel it. You ready?
Really?
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right, hang on. Let's see how it looks here. So,
Looks
okay.
regular.
All right, let's go ahead and peel it and see what.
Oh my gosh. I can't peel it. Oh.
Had it.
So shaky. Oh.
All right, let's see what it looks like.
Wow.
Ooh.
That's cool.
Oh, that's cool. Wow. So there you go. There's the Ditto.
Yep.
Wow, that's crazy. Cool.
That is really cool.
All right, we got that unboxed, but man, I was hoping to get a rainbow or an alternate art card, but
Yeah.
but we did get some cool cards here. So I think this one here is the
Alolan Exeggutor V.
V. Okay, cool.
Dragonite V.
All right, and
Radiant Blastoise.
oh, the one I kept calling Bulbasaur the whole time. So
The Ditto.
oh, that's the one you peeled, right?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
Already on my computer.
On
On the side. Like
really?
on
Oh man,
Yeah.
you already put the stick. Okay.
the sticker on the computer. And then the Mewtwo V Black Star promo.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Sticker's already on the computer.
Well, we
Heck
got
yeah.
we got some good pulls. It's just we was really wanting that Radiant Charizard. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure of that. So
Or a Mewtwo V alternate art.
alternate art, man. But we got some good ones. So, but anyway, guys, we really appreciate y'all watching this video, and thank y'all for supporting local. And until then, hey, y'all take it easy, be careful, and we'll see you.